Welcome to my channel. If you are a true car lover, then you are in the right place. Today, I am bringing you something that will absolutely blow your mind. This is not just a car, it is the future of luxury, power, and design combined into one masterpiece. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the 2027 Cadillac Vistiq Midnight Blue Edition. Now, when you hear the name Cadillac, the first thing that comes to mind is elegance, prestige, and premium engineering. But with the upcoming Cadillac Vistiq, the brand is entering a whole new era. This car is not just designed to be driven, it is designed to be experienced. From its breathtaking looks to its futuristic features, every single element of this machine screams innovation and boldness. Let's start with the design. Imagine standing in front of a vehicle that has a stance so wide and so powerful that it feels like it's dominating the space around it. The front grille is bold, polished, and absolutely iconic, highlighted by Cadillac's shining logo right in the center. The sharp, futuristic LED headlights give it a fierce personality, making sure that wherever you go, all eyes are on you. The midnight blue paint reflects light like liquid glass, and the aerodynamic curves make this SUV look like it was sculpted by the wind itself. Move to the rear side, and you'll see something just as breathtaking. The taillights stretch out dramatically, glowing bright red with a futuristic pattern that you won't find on any other car. The ultra-wide body kit, with exaggerated fender flares and bold aerodynamic details, gives it a stance that is both sporty and luxurious at the same time. It is the perfect balance between aggression and elegance. Step inside the interior, and that's where the real magic begins. The Cadillac Vistiq 2027 offers a cockpit straight out of a science fiction movie. You are welcomed with a wide, curved digital dashboard that stretches across the front, glowing in soft blue lighting, giving you every piece of information you need at your fingertips. The steering wheel, the seats, the panels, everything is crafted with premium stitched leather and polished metallic accents. The panoramic glass roof adds to the futuristic feel, making the cabin feel open, luxurious, and full of light. Now let's talk about technology. This SUV is packed with cutting-edge features: autonomous driving options, advanced driver assistance, futuristic infotainment systems, and AI-powered navigation that makes driving smarter, safer, and more exciting. It is not just a car, it's your personal luxury companion on the road. And when it comes to performance, Cadillac is leaving no room for compromise. The Vistiq is expected to deliver incredible electric power, instant acceleration, and a driving experience that feels smooth, yet powerful. Imagine gliding through the city at night with the midnight blue body reflecting neon lights, the tires gripping the road with confidence, and the engine delivering performance that makes your heart race. That's the promise of the 2027 Cadillac Vistiq. Friends, this is just the beginning. On this channel, we are going to dive deeper into the most luxurious, futuristic, and trending cars of the world. From design breakdowns to performance reviews, from electric cars to concept cars, you are going to see it all here. So, if you love cars as much as I do, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, because this is where you'll find the future of automobiles, one car at a time. This was the 2027 Cadillac Vistiq Midnight Blue, a car that defines the future of luxury and performance. Stay tuned, because the journey has just begun.